Today I want to share something with you guys which is called zones. Areas of extreme importance for a trader that doesn't use indicators. I hate to trade with indicators, it just confuses me. I'm not that type of trader. Even when I started trading, I never used it. But anyway, something that's making my life very easy is marking where the zones are, important zones are. Now, what are the zones? You can see here, I'm on my daily time frame, right? So I marked all the zones. A zone is basically an area where you can literally see when you turn your chart into a line chart. You can see this is where the price moves away or bounds away from the specific price zone or this area, a zone. It's not a specific price point in the market, it's a zone. So consider this is a zone. So it will be the extreme high and extreme low. You mark those off. Here's the extreme zones, high and lows. Okay, do that. And then importantly, you're going to look for a place where price was either moving away or where that zone acted as a resistance or support. For example, here it acts as a support. You go back in time, here it acted as a resistance. You go back, here it acted as a support, and so forth and so forth. So this means this is a highly or a very important price level. So what's going to happen in the future? Whenever price is going to reach this zone again, it's going to react more or less in the same way. Okay, but here, as you can see, I have marked almost every possible price zone or area of importance. I marked it off by a line, a horizontal line, and then you go back into your lower time frames and it will look like this. Okay, lower time frames. I trade on a 1 hour time frame. Now I can see exactly whenever price reaches this price zone, this area, I know that I need to pay attention to these zones whenever price reaches there, because look at this. Every time, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can see here. Whenever there's something about the zone because price reacts here. So I know whenever price reaches that zone, I know that I must trade, take a position. And then you know what? You can see here already. I can put a trade here and I can go and just take a walk because I know exactly this price is just going to move up until it reaches that zone again. And then I can just go to sleep. Bye.